If is an awesome function of Excel which allows us to make logical comparisons between a value and what we expect. Means it can give us multiple results based on a single cell value. In today's video, we will see how we can use if in multiple ways. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is an Excel sheet which I have already created in advance. We will see what all it has and how it works. Here we can see name of the students, total marks, attendance, pass or fail as per marks, pass or fail as per attendance, grade. We can see two columns of grade. Means we are going to use if in two ways over here. Here we can see pass or fail as per attendance and marks. Means we are going to use two criteria of if over here. Now we will start putting our formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to pass or fail as per marks. So we will take if bracket open logical test, we will take marks over here. So what will be the criteria for marks? Above or equal to 45 is pass. So we will give greater than or equal to 45 comma double inverted comma pass double inverted comma close comma if bracket open logical test means total marks below 45 will be fail. So it will be lesser than 45 comma double inverted comma fail double inverted comma close bracket close. We have inserted two if over here, so we will close bracket two times and we will do enter. Now we will drag this. We can check from here. Marks of Albert is 55, so he is pass. If I change it to 43, it's showing fail. Now we will come over here, pass or fail as per attendance. This is our attendance and the criteria is below or equal to 50% is failed. So our formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open logical test is attendance greater than or equal to 50% comma double inverted comma pass double inverted comma close comma if bracket open attendance is lesser than 50% comma double inverted comma fail double inverted comma close bracket close two times and we will do enter. We will drag this till end. So the attendance of Albert is 55% and he is pass. I'll do it 45% and it's showing fail. I'll select this and I'll be going to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to, I'll put pass over here and I'll select green color. I'll do OK. I'll be going to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule equal to, this time I'll type fail and I'll select red color. I'll do OK. And our pass or fail as per marks and as per attendance is done. Now we will be coming over here in grade. The criteria of grade is 90% or above is grade A, between 80 to 90 is grade B, between 70 to 80 is grade C and below 70 is grade D. So our formula over here will be plus or equal to if bracket open logical test is our marks greater than or equal to 90 comma double inverted comma A double inverted comma close comma if bracket open logical test means marks is greater than or equal to 80 comma double inverted comma B double inverted comma close comma if bracket open logical test means marks is greater than or equal to 70 comma double inverted comma C double inverted comma close comma if bracket open logical test means marks is smaller than 70 comma double inverted comma D double inverted comma close and we will close the bracket till it doesn't get black. Now we will do enter and we will drag this till end. We will change the marks over here. I'll do it 90 and the grade is A. I'll do 35 over here and the grade is D. Now we will see the formula of grade in second way and the formula will be plus or equal to if. This time we are going to add S with if means if bracket open logical test means marks is greater than or equal to 90 comma double inverted comma A double inverted comma close comma we will select marks once again is greater than or equal to 80 comma double inverted comma B double inverted comma close comma logical test means total marks is greater than or equal to 70, comma, double inverted comma C, double inverted comma close, comma 1. We are putting 1 over here because we want anything lesser than 70 to be D, comma, double inverted comma D, double inverted comma close, and we will close the bracket. We are going to close the bracket just once because we have inserted if one time. Now we will do enter and we will drag this till end. In case you want to do conditional formatting for your grades, you can do it by going in conditional formatting. Pass or fail as per marks and attendance. Now we will see how we can use two criterias in a single cell. The two criterias which we are going to take will be total marks and attendance. So our formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open. This time we are going to use and over here and bracket open. Logical test means total marks is greater than or equal to 45, comma, we are not going to put pass or fail right now, we will be putting it in end, comma, logical test. This time we are going to select attendance is greater than or equal to 50%, bracket close, comma, double inverted comma pass, double inverted comma close, comma, double inverted comma fail, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will do enter. Now we will drag this till end and we can see pass or fail over here. Now we will do conditional formatting for this also. I'll select this, I'll come over here, I'll right click the mouse and I'll be going to paste special formatting and our formatting part is done. We will see one more example of if. Scholarship, marks and attendance above 90%. So the criteria for scholarship is the marks and attendance should be above 90%. Over here also we are going to use two criterias. So the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open and bracket open logical test means marks is greater than or equal to 90, comma, this time our logical test will be attendance greater than or equal to 90%, bracket close, comma, double inverted comma, eligible, double inverted comma close, comma, if it doesn't meet the criteria, it should be blank. So to insert blank, we will give double inverted comma twice and we will close the bracket. We will do enter, we will drag this till end. Over here we can see eligible means Colby is eligible, marks is 92 and attendance is 99%. Jasper, this candidate is also eligible because total marks is 91 and attendance is 94%. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.